Alright, so here is the best way on how you can fix Chrome search engine changing to Yahoo. So make sure you watch this tutorial till the end to exactly know how to fix this problem. So if you head over to your Google Chrome and you see Yahoo instead of Google, so what you can do is just simply press on these three dots on the corner, and right over here you just gotta go ahead and press on the option of settings right over here. So once you press on them, you'll see a few options right over here, but you just gotta go ahead and press on the option of search engine. And right over here, as you can see, my search engine is Google, but if it's switched to Yahoo, what you can do is just simply press on manage search engines and site search. And right over here, you'll see a lot of search engines just like Google, Microsoft, Yahoo, DuckDuckGo, and Yandex. But if it's set to Yahoo, what you can do is just simply press on these three dots, and right over here you just gotta go ahead and press delete. So mine's already on Google, but if you don't want to delete Yahoo, you just gotta go ahead and press on search engine site, and it's already default as my Google. But if you want to switch it to default, like you just gotta press on these three dots of your Google Chrome and just simply press on make default. So yeah, there you go. This is it. I hope this tutorial actually helped you out. I'll see you soon in the next one.